Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dinswalo Mtombeni. I am from South Africa, studying at the University of Johannesburg School of Tourism and Hospitality. My career goals in the next 5 years, I will have completed my master's degree in tourism development, and I want to be working for the United Nations World Tourism Development, where I will be doing research that will enhance the growth and development of tourism around the globe. The biggest problem that I see in tourism is that more and more governments, especially in developing countries, are promoting international tourism more than domestic tourism. And that is a problem because international tourism is vulnerable to external shocks. I want to solve this by being a promoter of domestic tourism, where I will encourage developing countries' governments to promote domestic tourism so that it can contribute more to their GDP because it has more potential.